Taylorville was in Effingham Friday night, playing for a share of the Apollo Conference title. Cole Sheedy got Taylorville on the board, but Michael Carey got the easy putback. Hearts got an easy 2 off the steal, but Eric Dust powered his way in for 2. And then hit the 3 coming off the screen. Braden Bone hit the elbow jumper, but Blake Heimsmith muscled up the answer. And then in transition, he pulled up and did what he does best. Effingham answered right back though, and Grant Wolf beat the buzzer with some hustle. Bone started the second quarter with the baseline floater, but Cole Sheedy answered. So Bone, of course, had to respond. He also finished off the half with this 3 to beat the buzzer and put the Hearts up by 3. Dust hit the corner 3 to start the quarter, and then Lane Rupert added another. Bone picked up the change in the lane, but Dust made a nice move to counter. And then the Tornadoes dialed up Heimsmith's number again. Bone continued to light it up, and this one was tied at 38 heading to the 4th. Grant Wolf started off the 4th, and the whole quarter was really a good highlight film for Effingham on their senior night. Taylorville just couldn't get even a layup to fall, and Effingham pulled away. Sheedy tried to stop it, but it just wasn't Taylorville's night, and Effingham pulled away to win a share of the Apollo crown, splitting it with Mount Zion.
Congratulations, Bills, on winning the conference championship.